Everyone was running to go abroad, but now a lot of Indians are quietly coming back. But the point is, no one is actually talking about the real reasons. So to everyone who lives in India, family हो, friends हो, relatives हो, उनको हमारी life बहुत मस्त लगती है. Like it's aesthetically so beautiful. The weekends are so great. People only see that we are earning in dollars. They never actually understand that we also have to spend in dollars too. There are festivals, occasions, weddings that gets missed. You are completely independent, but you're also alone. And the list goes on and on. In this video, we are going to talk about the real reasons that people must have asked you that why do we even want to come back? And by the end of this video, you will get something that you really need. So watch it till the end. Let's get started. Why you even want to come back? I know how many people must have asked you this. Almost everyone asks the same question that why you want to come back. तुम्हारी life तो उधर बहुत ही मस्त चल रही है. There's nothing to come back to, but they don't understand what we go through. They don't understand what we feel. And it's not like we hate abroad, or it's not like that this country is better than this country. We choose one over the other. It's just into the small things. It's the little things. You know, जब आप festivals आ रहे हैं, दिवाली आ रही है, I remember exactly that when I used to call my friends who are in India, they are having fun, they are having like 4 to 5 holidays for that Diwali festival, or I am on a Wednesday sitting in the office desk and just all I can do is just miss my home, miss my family, and miss celebrating it with them. I know how it feels. Every festival, every special occasion, the birthday, be it anniversaries, उनकी birthday, हमारी birthday, ये सब कुछ इतना खाली खाली लगता है ना, because all you can do is just take up your phone and just look at them on the screen. You can't be with them. मतलब yes, we can यहाँ से हम ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं कि उनको केक वहाँ तक पहुँच जाए या फिर उनकी गिफ्ट्स हम पहुँचा दें. Those things will be doable, but it's not the same by as much as you sitting next to them and cutting that cake. उसकी feeling ही अलग है. And we feel it almost every day. We wait for an entire year, sometimes even more, like sometimes even 2 to 3 years to meet our families, and that's hard. That's heavy on us. It is filled with a lot of pain, a lot of regret, a lot of guilt. That at what cost we are getting this development, or at what cost that we are being successful. कि हाँ career में तो successful है, लेकिन अपनी family से मिलने के लिए हमें इतना wait करना पड़ता है. And especially when the times are hard. There are calls that felt very heavy because वहाँ पे वो लोग कुछ problem में है. They are sick, they are going through some surgery, and we can't go right away. We can't first of all leave, and even if we leave, we have to wait like 16, 21, sometimes 24, 30 hours in the flight, और उतना time लगता है to reach them. And that time, it's all so painful that nobody actually acknowledges it. And I know the argument of others कि हाँ पैसे बहुत अच्छे हैं, lifestyle बहुत अच्छी है. We know that. But the point is, what we go through every day, every weekend it feels even more empty because it's just repetitions that's happening. हम वही चीज़ें हर बार करते हैं, every weekend करते हैं, बस एक नई जगह जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे भी हम वो same चीज़ें feel करते हैं क्योंकि we want our parents, we want our family to have that vacation with us and not just call them and show them that see I've been here, I'm here. It's hard, and very few people actually understands how hard it is. I know it. And when you look at it from the societal point of view, everybody feels that oh my god, you guys are successful, oh you are, you are settled in like what way you are settled. You're abroad, you have your own home, you have your car, you have your job, you're earning this much, you're going to different places every weekend, but it still not feels fulfilled with all of this.
See, we have been on the both sides. We've lived in US for a couple of years, me for 4 years and my wife for 8 years. And now we moved back to India and it's been 3 years. So we literally saw both sides of the coin. And you know what? Yeah, honestly, we've realized that there's no perfect choice. There's no one right answer. It's an aligned choice. It's a subjective choice. किसी के लिए सही है, किसी के लिए गलत है, किसी के लिए बहुत सही होगा, बहुत मजा आएगा. You will be like, fine, I waited so many years before I took this decision and finally moved back. And किसी के लिए होगा, why the hell did I move back here, right? So our job at this channel is to make sure that you don't make the wrong decision. A decision that you eventually will regret. If you feel stress, if you're not sure about the homecoming, if you want our advice, we do provide consultations one-on-one and the link would be in description, so feel free to check out. If this was helpful, do let us know in the comments. It really helps us. And if you can, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you really like such videos. With that being said, इस वीडियो को हम यहीं पे wrap up करते हैं. आपसे मुलाकात होगी अगले वीडियो में. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखें and we're going to see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.